Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm finally here with an edges tutorial. So let's just hop right into the video. So the first thing we need is a toothbrush, some water, and some Eco Style gel. And yes, I'm still using Eco Style gel. First thing I like to do is spray my toothbrush with water and go right into the gel. Now everything that I'm going to be doing with my edges is going to be pretty much repetitive, but the only thing that I really like to do is just put my baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call it, into a swooping motion. And I just do this on my entire head. I just do this with all of my baby hairs, just put them in the same exact swooping motion. I'm not sure if I should really call this a tutorial since everything's pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to show you all how I do my edges. I know a lot of you all like to compliment me and tell me how good my edges look and all of that stuff, so I just decided to show you all how I do them. And pretty much that's the only thing. I really don't have much to say about my edges, but I feel like if I just let you all watch what I do without really explaining what I'm doing, then I mean it'll help you all to see what I'm pretty much doing anyways. But this video is just showing you all the technique that I do, how I position my hands, all of that stuff, blah blah blah. But yes, I do use a toothbrush to slick my edges and all of that stuff. You will see me going in and kind of give myself a little bit of a sideburn right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna just let you all watch the rest of the video without me saying anything, and then I will come back if I need to add anything else. So now I'm just going to take this scarf to kind of hold my edges in place, and then I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes while I do my makeup. So after I'm done doing my makeup and letting my edges kind of sit in place for a bit, then these are the final results of my edges. Very simple, cute, and laid down. So that's pretty much all I do, just very simple and quick, nothing too technical or difficult. A lot of people do ask me about my edges and give me compliments, so I just decided that this would be a nice little video for y'all to just watch and see how I do my edges without doing too much of an explanation since it's self-explanatory. So yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. comment, like, subscribe. Make sure to comment anything, ask questions, and yeah, I will come back and I will see you guys in my next video.